Dal here with a product from Shamrock Farms, and it's the birthday cake, sort of a milk-like substance. I don't know if they're referring to it as a smoothie, but we're going to just open it up and check it out. So that's what it looks like pouring, and we'll take a sip. So it's milk. Yeah, I guess I taste the birthday cake like frosting. And this apparently is not a year-round product. They're calling this a limited edition. So I guess if you think this might be for you, might be the time to get this before they discontinue it. So yeah, Shamrock birthday cake flavor milk.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.